This is the Apple Watch, part of the collection. This is not the Apple Watch Sport. It is the stainless steel Apple Watch, 38mm case, 316 leaded stainless steel, sapphire crystal retina display. The packaging is actually sort of reminiscent of the original iPod, which had an origami box. Inside the box is another box, and this is just care instructions, hopefully some Apple stickers someplace. This is the Apple Watch charger. It's very similar to the iPhone charger. On the Apple Watch Sport, this is plastic, this one is metal. Now, this actually comes in a very nice plastic Apple box. This also looks a lot like the original iPod and actually like the original Mac Mini. Open it up. Apple Watch embossed in suede. This is the Apple Watch. Put this on my wrist. And I have small wrists, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how this fits. It looks really good. And since, like I said, I have a small wrist, this gives you a really good indicator of what it might look like on a kid's wrist if you wanted to get one for your child. As it turns on, the Apple logo keeps getting brighter and brighter, which is kind of a nice touch. So you can scroll through all the different language choices. And that's it, that's the pairing process. So literally just take a photo of the little symbol on the top, and that is it. Yes, I agree, your terms of service, Apple. Is that two-factor authentication on? It's making me do that. Okay, so my initial take, I'm still setting this up. It is still syncing my data over, so I can't do anything more than look lovingly at its sapphire crystal display. But you know what? I like it. It is small. Even the band, I mean, I'm not fond of the color, let's be honest. I wanted the soft pink modern buckle. That's what I wanted. That I wasn't gonna get until sometime in June, I don't know when. So I threw caution to the wind, ordered the black classic band, got it in a couple of days after ordering it. It looks really small on my wrist. I was not expecting it to look this tiny. I love it, and I can't wait to start using my apps, and I've had such a huge, FOMO, and now I can finally join the rest of the assholes who have Apple Watches. I'm now an Apple Watch asshole.